Hi, my name is Eduardo Sebastian Paz, and today I'm going to discuss my problem solution presentation for assembling a high-performance team at Loyalty Funding Inc. We will first talk about the organization. Then we will describe the recent problem and how they try to solve it, and I will propose a solution. In part one, we will talk about the organization and the problem. Section one is all about the organization. Imagine you are hired for a position in a company. This company doesn't have enough employees, and they expect you to fulfill other roles where you don't have the experience. In addition, there is no one else to guide you. Do you think you can be productive? Probably not. A similar situation is happening at Loyalty Funding Inc. But before we discuss this problem, let's learn about the organization. Loyalty Funding Inc. is a mortgage lending company that offers mortgages financing for their clients. The company was established back in May 2017 and is currently located in Tustin, California. Their current organization structure is hierarchical. The highest level includes CEO Tam Nguyen, and he works closely with Kelly Dang, the Chief of Operations, and Jeremy Foti, the Vice President. Tram Dang, the office administrator, works closely with the COO, and Steve Rosin, the sales coach, works closely with the VP. The final lower level includes the processing team, conformed by 3 loan processors, and the sales team, with 7 loan officers. Now let's talk about the problem. The organization's main problem is that production in the company has slowed down dramatically. According to the COO, Kelly Dang, this problem has emerged because there are not enough employees to delegate the correspondent work. But that's not the only reason why production slowed down. The COO describes that when the weekend approaches, the vice president and sales coach do not fulfill the roles adequately, deciding to leave early to go golfing. Imagine you are part of the sales team and you have a question, but no one is available to answer. Wouldn't this slow down your productivity? The VP decided that from now on, loan officers will be the only ones to contact the customers. This decision is also part of the production decrease because the loan officers are not as experienced as the loan processors on collecting documents from the borrowers. Okay, so now this is part two, and we will discuss about the solutions. The first solution is the organization solution to the problem. The COO solution to this issue is to encourage communication between all teams. All requests between processors and loan officers are written, and all management is included in the email to track the progress of closing a loan. Now I will discuss a creative solution. My proposal is to remove people working on their own department and let's pair them with a loan officer with a loan processor. An article by MIT suggests that smaller teams move faster, iterate at a higher frequency, and innovate more for the company. So this strategy could prove to be successful in solving the low production problem of the organization. Also, the owner needs to spend the resources required to hire team members to complete the teams. It is necessary to look where to cut costs and use these resources for recruiting and hiring instead. Finally, we will apply a class concept to this solution. Achieving a production increase requires a team management style, which involves high concern for production and high concern for people. This will allow work to be completed and make employees feel valuable. With happy employees across Loyalty Funding Inc., increased production will make its way. Thank you.